Hello everyone and welcome to Elias World of Wonder. This has been my summer holiday project on working on an advanced decision intelligence platform which is specifically focusing on complex decision making and problem solving. When we talk about organizations navigating complexity when, let's say, entering new markets or developing sustainable business model or circular economy based value creation models, so the scope here is to provide insights in terms of KPIs, data visualizations, suggestions for additional data so that companies could make better decisions. And basically the name is coming from my passion to focus on sustainability, regeneration and circularity related problems, because now in the current AI boom I think there is not enough focus on this area. So behind this solution there is a multi-agent orchestration which includes the orchestrator agent, and which is basically coordinating sustainability analyst, business analyst, technology analyst and risk assessor. And the idea is that companies or any organization really describes their situation or challenge they would like to analyze, and basically more context they provide in terms of the textual description, as well as adding additional files or even at some point integrating it into the database or internal systems of the company to basically get better insights and enhance the analysis and its recommendations. And here is my basically at this point imaginary but very detailed scenario of a company who want to employ circular economy business models, and it's really there is a very in detail breakdown about cash flows and metrics on like some sustainability work and some compliance requirements related things. I would see this platform being integrated to be compliant with all the known like sustainability frameworks like CSRD, TCFD, LCA assessments and so to say. And as you can see, the key point here is that at the meta basis of this solution there is the Sinefin domain classification, the model by Dave Snowden, which basically categorizes phenomenons in simple, complicated, complex and chaotic context, and based on identifying the context it suggests appropriate decisions and actions to be made. And the idea of course is that you can iterate your more context on the described situation, and then it pops out dynamic visualizations on different areas. Of course these are not yet fully functioning. What I see is that you can drill down to these insights and get like more granular insights of them. But the important thing here is the actionability, so that there would be actionable insights on different areas, especially here in the sustainability impact wheel, as I call it. There is different areas of scoring on environmental impact, social impact, economic sustainability, and ideally you would be able to drill down to these and get like concrete suggestions on how to improve them further basically. And also there is the separate breakdown of recommendations like this. It has identified it based on Sinefin as complex. It is suggesting some strategic decisions to be done. Of course I want these to be that you can more drill down into the decisions, and it seems that the analysis is still in progress, and also actionable basically actions to be done. Then technology perspective, sustainability perspective, these are pretty much bare bones at this point, but you get the idea. And then there would be, which is really like the main framework of the platform, is that the data points would be visualized comprehensively here in the matrix. So companies could basically click down by each area. The colors basically indicate like whether they are about business or sustainability or technology, and so to say. And companies could drill down, drill into them, and suggest additional data or so to say. Then you could also drill down to the analysis confidence, basically about the technology analysis, sustainability. Oh, sorry, I mean here by clicking from the analysis confidence, you could see the data completeness, drill down what it consists of, how it came to this percentage, domain clarity, context coverage, consistency of the given data and information. And then there is also recommended actions, also as a breakdown here, like we saw above. Of course, I want them to be more in detail, and essentially that you can also do a more deep dive into what you would like to explore. So let's say I would like to please elaborate on the sustainability and regenerative aspects more, and I could click here, and it would basically give me more insights and asking me where to prioritize and so to say. And then you could choose basically different focus areas, which would of course reflect on which agent is leading the analysis on the background. So this of course a demo at this point, but yeah, would be great to hear what you guys think, and maybe I'm happy to hear if you have other ideas for applications. I primarily see this for complex sustainability related problems, but I think there could be many other applications just in the general business perspective, so to say. And the most important feature here is that all these visualizations are dynamic. So when you add more context, when you add more data, when you add more text, it can analyze all of these separately, and most importantly, like incrementally add on the current insights and make them more accurate that way. So yeah, let me know what you think.